PUBG Mobile comeback, new Apple M1 Silicon, Google no longer supports unlimited photos. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Reports. PUBG Mobile set to come back to India. The PUBG Corporation has announced to officially launch the PUBG Mobile India. What changes? The new characters automatically start clothes and green hit effects to reflect virtual nature of the game. They also will hire over 100 employees specializing in business, esports and game development backgrounds. Google Photos unlimited storage end. The company said that it is ending its service from June 1st, 2021. However, the photos uploaded before June 1st, 2021 will still be treated under the unlimited storage option. Instagram prioritizes Reels and shopping over normal posts and new app revamp. Two of the most important buttons for Instagram, which are create an activity, are now being moved from the bottom and they are pushed to the top of the UI alongside with DM/Messenger button. To replace those buttons, Instagram is adding shortcuts for Reels, Instagram's TikTok competitor, and shopping. Python's creator Van Rossum joins Microsoft. Van Rossum, the creator of Python programming language, announced that he is unretiring himself and joining Microsoft's developer division. Here is the tweet that he tweeted out. SSD's issues are preventing some from receiving the new Windows 10 20H2 update. At the end of October, SSD compatibility problem arose, which made people with SSDs to be unable to install the new update. If Windows detects that it is not compatible, it shows this error. Your PC has hardware that isn't ready for this version of Windows 10. Windows Update will automatically offer you this version of Windows 10 once the issue has been resolved. Google's new app could allow banks to lock phones. Reports suggest that a new app can allow banks or credit card companies to lock a device or shut down certain functions if the user misses out on payment in installment. The new MacBook Air M1 is much faster. If the Geekbench 5 scores are accurate and are to be believed, then the new MacBook Air M1 is much faster than 2019 Intel i9 MacBook Pro. OnePlus Nord updates. OnePlus Nord N10 and N100 will get only one Android version update, which is if they are starting out with 11, they will be updated to 12 and they don't promise any updates after 12. macOS 11.0 Big Sur. macOS 11.0 Big Sur is now available to download. The new M1 powered laptops can run apps of iOS and iPadOS on laptop natively, and it has many other things improved. Free Google Stadia kits. Google is giving free Stadia gaming kits to YouTube Premium subscribers. However, this deal is not available for the new subscribers of YouTube Premium. New MacBook Air is completely fanless. The new MacBook Air with M1 chip shares its processor with MacBook Pro and Mac Mini. However, the MacBook Air with M1 processor is completely fanless, and MacBook Pro and Mac Mini have one fan each. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one. Peace.